In this video, I'll show you how to build a web app with Bolt.New. Start by signing into your Bolt.New account and click New Project to create a new app. Next, describe the web app you want to build using a detailed prompt. Explain the purpose of the app, the features you want, the layout, and any integrations or technologies you need. After that, click Generate and wait while Bolt.New creates your project. Now review the generated application, including the pages, components, and overall design. Next, use the AI chat panel to request changes. You can ask Bolt.New to add new features, redesign the interface, create forms, connect APIs, add authentication, or improve the user experience. After that, preview your app by clicking the Preview button and test the functionality directly in your browser. Now continue refining the project by chatting with the AI and making additional changes until the app works the way you want. Next, if your app requires a backend or database, follow Bolt.New's prompts to connect the appropriate services and configure your environment. After that, test all the main features, including navigation, forms, and user interactions, to make sure everything is working correctly. Finally, click Deploy or use the available publishing option to make your web app live and share it with your users. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build a web app with Bolt.New. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.